Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the headphones powered and your phone open to Bluetooth settings. Press and hold the power/multifunction button on the Marshall Minor 3 for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue and white. That tells you the earbud is in pairing mode. Once the LED blinks, your device will see a new discoverable name. Keep Bluetooth scanning active and stay on the settings screen so you can select the device immediately when it appears. After the Minor 3 appears in your phone's Bluetooth list, tap the device name to initiate pairing. You may see a prompt asking to confirm pairing. Accept it, and only enter passkey 0000 if the system requests one. Once initiated, allow a few seconds for the devices to exchange profiles. You'll hear a confirmation tone or see the LED change to a steady state. This is your cue that audio and call profiles are active. Make sure media volume is up to test playback immediately. You finish by playing music or a call test to confirm stereo audio and mic functionality. Adjust volume and check latency. If pairing fails, power off both the Minor 3 and your phone, then restart and repeat the pairing sequence. This often clears transient Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until the LED cycles, then enter pairing mode again. That reset clears old pairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.